In this video, we continue to learn how to add integers using a number line. In my first video, I took you through the basics of how this is done. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll put a link up top and you can watch that one first. In this video, I'm going to go over 4 more examples of adding integers using a number line. When you are adding 2 positive integers, it may be obvious that your answer would also be positive. It may also be obvious that when you're adding 2 negative integers, the answer would be negative. What gets tricky is when you're adding positive and negative integers together. What I'm about to show you is that when you're adding a positive and negative integer together, you are basically performing subtraction. What I mean by that is, adding a negative is the same thing as subtracting. For example, 3 plus negative 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Let's walk through these examples and I'll show you how we do this. First example, negative 5 plus 3. So using our number line, as we did last time, we're going to find our first point, our first integer, which is negative 5. We're going to use black for this one. We're going to add 3 more that are negative. So that means we're going to go to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3. When we do that, we come up with negative 8, and negative 5 plus negative 3 is indeed equal to negative 8. Second example, what is 10 plus negative 5? So this is the one where I was talking about when you have a positive and negative together, you're actually performing subtraction. What you want to think about is whichever integer is larger is the one that your answer will be. What I mean by that is 10 is larger than 5, so the answer should be positive. Now, instead of adding a negative, what you could do is just simply subtract 10 minus 5. To prove that out, let's start with 10. And we're going to add negative 5, which is going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus negative 5 is 5. And if you think about it, 10 minus 5 is 5. Same answer. Let's look at example number 3. Negative 8 plus 4. Well, in this one, you could subtract 8 minus 4 and know that the answer is going to be negative because the negative integer is larger in absolute value than the 4. So let's prove that out. Negative 8. We're going to add positive 4, which means we go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Make the sign negative because 8 is a larger number. Last example. Negative 6 plus 9. Let's start with negative 6. We're going to add positive 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That gives us positive 3. And if we subtracted 9 minus 6, it would give us 3. Now that you've seen those 4 examples, here's a little bit bigger number for you guys to try on your own. The bonus question is negative 26 plus 12. What is that? Draw a number line if you have to, and drop your answer in the comments below. Good luck! If you found the video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and a subscribe as it helps the channel grow. If you have a topic you want to see covered, drop me a comment below and let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.